Welcome back to another update on the Spotify Camp Nou renovation. Each week, we're witnessing how the stadium is rising step by step, and today's visit shows visible progress across multiple areas. The pace of construction remains strong, and every new stage brings us closer to the design of the future Camp Nou. If you'd like to stay informed on all the latest updates, make sure to subscribe as we continue documenting this journey. Here, the activity is non-stop. Multiple concrete pumps are in action, pouring into several parts of the structure. Workers are preparing reinforcement mesh and setting up hollow core slabs that will soon be placed. In the VIP ring, the massive super pillars continue to grow taller, with steel reinforcement and new formwork shaping the upper levels. The progress here gives us a clear sense of how quickly this section is rising. Progress on the south side is steady. Prefabricated stands arrive on trailers and are lifted into place with cranes. Reinforcement continues across several levels, while foundation work ensures that the structure is ready for the next stages. Although it may seem slower than the north, this preparation is key for the developments to come. In the central Tribune area, large steel brackets are being connected by crossbeams. Block walls are also reinforced with vertical bars to strengthen the higher sections. These supports will hold much of the weight of the upper tiers, making this one of the most advanced and important parts of the renovation. On the lateral side, there is constant movement. Crews are cutting and fitting formwork panels, building staircases, and raising structural cores. Prefabricated stair sections are being lifted into place, while reinforcement continues across multiple floors. Everywhere you look, this side shows steady progress. In the corners, workers are preparing staircases with reinforcement and installing formwork panels. Pipes and conduits for utilities are also being positioned. This part may not look as eye-catching, but the hidden infrastructure here is vital for the stadium's overall function once it is complete. The parking zone has reached an important milestone. The structure known as the Infinite Diamond is now fully concreted, with most of the formwork panels removed. Reinforcement has been placed across several levels, and central beams are being shaped with new steel. On the upper floors, workers are tying rebar and preparing slabs, showing that another round of concreting is on the way. Each day, dozens of trailers deliver prefabricated elements, heavy blocks, and wall panels. Cranes are constantly lifting materials into place. Watching this process feels like seeing a massive puzzle being assembled, as each section gradually connects to create the bigger picture of the new Camp Nou. Different parts of the stadium are moving at slightly different speeds. The north goal and Tribune are leading with visible growth, while the south goal, parking, and corners continue with groundwork and reinforcement. This variation is typical for a project of this scale, and it shows how each team is keeping momentum steady in their assigned area. That brings us to the end of this update on the Spotify Camp Nou. The project is advancing strongly on all fronts. Week by week, the vision of the future Camp Nou becomes clearer. Thanks for watching this construction update. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss the next update. Stay tuned, because we'll continue bringing you the latest progress from the future home of FC Barcelona.